To?
If you want to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Quentin here, and I'm going to slide. It's another video. This video is from Playtime with Gypsy, so it was cat video. But this time, I'm going to call this Snow Slide or Snowstorm. Or when I call it, I will head down, and I'm probably going to speed down those trees. So I'm sure I'm ready. Okay, I'm going to head down. And then I hope.
Got something to say?
What?
Want to say something?
So subscribe the like button and click down below. And when I go like 3, 2, 1, like spike, and make sure to find the like button that says click down below. And 3, 2, 1, go.
That's going to be a long walk.